So this US 30 analysis for Wednesday, the 21st of February. Now, let's have a look what happened prices and where they may likely go. So from the previous video, we're saying that the 400 period moving average was providing a dynamic resistance above. And as we can see, we saw the further sell side momentum come back into the market, found brief support at the 101 level, had a further sell side momentum come back down, come in towards the 25,000, brief move back up towards 25,101 before we saw the further sell side momentum take us down towards the 24,864. From 24,864, we've posted a bit of a pin bar, and we do look poised for a bit of an upside momentum here. We've had a retracement back up towards the 25,000. If we can break and hold on to 25,000, looking for price head up towards the 25,101. Successful break from which we would head up towards the 400 period moving average, currently sitting at 25,200. If we're able to successfully break above the 25,200, we'll be looking for price head up towards our 25,243 before looking for prices ultimately to move up towards the 25,439. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 25,439, this major level marked out here in red, from which pretty close we did see that sell side momentum come back into the market. If, however, we aren't able to hold the 25,000, or we do see rejection at 25,101, we'll look to see whether we do get a bit of a double bottom in around the 24,864 for further upside continuation. If, however, we do fail to hold 864, we'll be looking for price head down towards the 200 period moving average here on the hourly time frame, and the 200 period moving average currently sits at 24,759. If we were to able to successfully break up below the 200 period moving average here, we are looking for price head down towards at 24,700 and 24,650. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, 24,650. I expect that to be the far end of the range on the US 30 here on February 21st, Wednesday. Now, let's just have a quick look at the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame here. So we head over to the daily chart. Over to the daily chart, we can see we've heard a bit. Sorry about that. Over to the daily chart, we can see we've had this persistent move to the upside, and we had a sharp sell-off. Posted our low, posted a higher low, went on a bit of a run here to the upside. A bit of retracement here. We've posted pin bars or dojis. Posted a couple of dojis and had a bearish day yesterday. So we are having a bit of retracement here. It does seem a bit of a retracement at present. So we might have a retracement before we see that further upside continuation for eventual move to test that 26,000 mark. But we do look poised for further downside momentum, especially over the short term, before we could potentially find support for further upside continuation. Might have a bit of retracement before seeing that upside continuation here on the US 30. Overall, there is a long bias on the US 30 index, despite the fact that we have had this very sharp sell-off here more recently. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.